Question number 7. Particle P of mass 1.2 kg is released from rest at the top of the slope and starts to move. The slope length is 4 meters and is inclined at 25 degree to the horizontal. So we have a system like this. Okay. There's a particle at the top. Its speed is initially 0 and the slope is inclined at 25 degree. And the coefficient of friction between P and the slope is 1 by 4 pi. The distance here is 4 meters. Okay. Part A says find the frictional component of the contact force. क्या पूछ रहे हैं? What are they asking for? Friction पूछ रहे हैं. Friction पूछ रहे हैं. Friction किसके equal होती है? हाँ. So you have to find. You're given the value of mu. In fact, you need R. R किधर होगा? In this direction. हाँ. R यहाँ होता है. उसके opposite we have the component of weight, the cos component of weight, which is mg cos theta. So it would be one. Yes. चलो. ठीक है. So R is mg cos theta. So to solve part A, we're writing friction is equals to mu. Mu is 1 by 4 and R is mg cos theta 1.2 into 10 into cos 25. This is the friction. 27 aata hai, let me check. Okay. Let's see. 2.7189. 2.7189. Friction's unit is Newton. It's a force. Rounds to 2.72 in 3 significant figures. Sorry? समझ नहीं आ रही क्या होगा? और कोई फोर्स ही नहीं आर के ऊपर. और कौन सी फोर्स है? ठीक है. Okay. Part B says the acceleration of P. How do we find the acceleration? Yes, forward minus backward is equals to ma. Forward is the sign component of the weight. Back work energy power अभी आई नहीं. ठीक है. वर्क भी नहीं मेंशन्ड, एनर्जी भी नहीं मेंशन्ड. अभी ये पिछले चैप्टर का टॉपिक चल रहा है. ठीक है. मर्ज करके उन्होंने क्वेश्चन बनाया. ठीक है. ओके. सो for part B, we use forward force, which is going to be this force, which is going to be the weight sign component of weight, mg sine theta. Minus backward force will be friction is equals to ma. So we have m, which is 1.2 times 10 times sine 25 minus friction 2.7189, use the unrounded value, is equals to mass times acceleration. Acceleration comes out to be 1.96 meters per second square. Part C says find the speed with which P reaches the bottom of the slope. The speed with which P reaches the bottom of the slope, ये कैसे करेंगे? What will be the speed here? Equation of motion. We know that initial speed here is 0. We need the final speed here, v. We have the distance, 4 meters. We also have the acceleration. Acceleration constant है क्योंकि particle है ना, इसके अंदर कोई engine नहीं है. ठीक है. Engine वाले question में acceleration constant नहीं होता. ठीक है. This is just a particle. इसकी कोई driving force है ही नहीं. ठीक है. So We have U0, A 1.96, preferably use unrounded value. मेरे पास है नहीं, so I'm just using this. आपको लिखनी चाहिए पहले longer answer for A. Okay, S is 4 and we have to find V. So V square equals U square plus 2AS, and then we square root this to get V. V is equals to square root U square is 0 square plus 2AS. What are we getting for V? 3.96 meters per second. Okay, part 2. After reaching, Alaikum Assalam. After reaching the bottom of the slope, P moves freely under gravity and subsequently take a second, what is this? And subsequently hits a horizontal floor, which is 3 meters down the bottom of the slope. Okay, so they're saying that as the slope ends, the particle falls down. There's a horizontal floor which is 3 meters below it. Find the loss in gravitational potential energy of P during its motion from the bottom of the slope until it hits the ground. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक क्या loss है in potential energy? कैसे आएगा? Yeah, just find mgh. So part 2, part A. Let's see, is mgh. M is 1.2, G is 10, and H difference in height is given. 1.8 बता रहे हो? 36, yeah. And okay, next part is find the speed with which B hits the ground. इधर की स्पीड कैसे निकालेंगे? हाँ बिल्कुल सही. We found a V here. That will be now U of the system. वो क्या आया था? 3.96. ठीक है, और हमने फाइंड करना है V इधर. V is equals to question mark. और क्या पता है? हाँ, S भी पता है. और A क्या है? ए हाँ डाउनवर्ड्स, बिल्कुल ये फ्री फॉल एक्सेलरेशन होगी विच विल बी 10 + 10. गुड. ओके, फाइंड v फ्रॉम हियर. v is equals to square root, वालेकुम सलाम, u square plus 2as comes out to be 8.69, 8.69951, which rounds off to 8.70 in 3 significant figures. Yeah, yeah. 99 है ये. ठीक है, then it's 8.70.